Welcome everyone. I hope you will enjoy this next series of videos I've got coming up called simply, I Love Vietnam. So please, join me and let's explore together. Hello there. Hey, I just returned from an amazing 11-day trip to Vietnam. In this series of Vietnam videos, I'm going to take you to the city of Danang and show you some of its favorite landmarks. I'm also going to head to Hoi An, the city of lanterns, and show you around that city. I'm also going to take you to Ba Na Hills and share my Golden Bridge experience. And finally, I'm going to take you down to the island of Phu Quoc, where I'm going to show you some local culture and some amazing sunsets. So stick around for all these videos, but first, enjoy this first video, exploring Danang. Well, I hope you can hear me through all the waves crashing, but I'm on the beach in Danang, Vietnam, and I'm just about to go explore the city. Why don't you join me? Seafood. All across Vietnam you will find fresh seafood, and Danang is no exception. This city of 1.1 million people has plenty of dining options for the seafood lover. In comparison to Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, Danang has a bit of a more relaxed vibe. The traffic here isn't quite as congested as the larger cities, although they do have one thing in common, and that is the Well, you get the picture. In Vietnam, crossing the street can be a challenge. In Western culture, the right-of-way is given, not taken. Here, the right-of-way is taken. If you want that line, you pick it, you commit, and you go. We're going to start off this tour on the very north end of Danang at the Lin An Pagoda, one of the most famous iconic landmarks in northern Danang. The Lin An Pagoda and temple complex is one of 3 similar pagodas with the same name in the Danang area. Although people have been worshipping on this site since the 18th century, this is the newest complex of the 3, which was completed in the year 2010 and is only about 10 kilometers from the city center. The 67-meter Buddha statue can be clearly seen from the city and is the centerpiece of this 20-hectare area, which is also home to a worship temple and adjacent monks' quarters, a large 3-door entry gate, and a 9-level pagoda. The grounds consisted of many statues, tranquil gardens, and pathways that led to peaceful settings for sitting, self-reflection, or to enjoy some quality time with your family. The entrance is free, and the temple is only about a $5 taxi ride from the city center. After a few hours exploring, I decided to take a taxi back to the city to watch the sunset atop the Fivitel Hotel along the banks of the Han River. The rooftop lounge is free to enter and is a great place to view the infamous Dragon Bridge and to watch the sunset. Unfortunately, a storm is rolling in and the wind got so bad that I couldn't even hear myself on camera. So I went to explore the nightlife in the My An district near the beach. There were many options for dining and drinking in this quiet neighborhood where you could find Eastern cuisine, Western cuisine, and many European varieties as well. The Roadhouse was home to the best burger in Danang, and the Funky Donkey had a pool table and great karaoke. I really enjoyed this area because there were so many places, very little crowds, and the streets were almost empty. I had no problem finding great food in local restaurants, offering cheap prices, free advice, and there were literally holes in the wall around every corner. The beach area is lit up at night, and the hotels along Beach Road were full of colorful lights that could be seen for miles. It is the winter season here in Danang in December, so the cooler weather doesn't attract a large number of people to the beach at night, but you could see how fun this place could be in the summer with warmer weather. However, on Saturday and Sunday evenings at precisely 9 p.m., the crowds convene around the Dragon Bridge, holding their cameras in anticipation, hopefully to catch a photo or a video of this. The Dragon Bridge comes alive, spewing fire from its mouth over the streets below. And they don't even close down the bridge. This was my final evening in Danang, and the weather was nasty. You can see I won't stop at anything to get videos for my viewers. So, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video.
Holy cow! I'm gonna blow away!
And if you'd like to support me further, you can buy me a coffee. Click the link in the description below and you can make your donation.
Holy cow, it just stopped. All of a sudden. Did you see that? Wow, crazy weather here tonight in Danang. It's my last night. I'm heading to Phu Quoc tomorrow. See you there.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, wherever you are and wherever you go, go with the flow.